Did you know that the UK is home to some of the most breathtaking wildlife in the world, from the gorgeous red fox to the most endangered animal in the UK, the Scottish wildcat? We've also got gorgeous red squirrels, lots of fascinating birds and so much more. In today's video we're going to be looking at 5 animals that are not meant to be in the UK, and they are invasive species. Invasive species are animals which have came from another country to England and are causing a lot of harm to them. To kick off today's list, let's go with one of the most common invasive species in the UK, and that's got to be the grey squirrel. The grey squirrel is from America and it's out competing our native red squirrels for food, space, and they are more aggressive. Not only are grey squirrels more aggressive, they're also very, very territorial, meaning they will kill the red squirrels. Being a lot more bigger, more powerful, and just more aggressive, they are actually overtaking the place. Another thing you've got to take into consideration is the fact is grey squirrels carry a virus called squirrel virus or squirrel pox, which is wiping out our native red squirrels. For some reason, our native red squirrels can't fight the virus, but the grey squirrel can, which is unbelievably crazy to think. And that is a massive unaliver in red squirrels as well. Let's get to number 2 on the list and go to something completely different, and that is pelicans. That's right, guys, there's actually pelicans in the UK. In St James's Street in London, there is actually a group of pelicans what live there. Legend has it that back in the day, pelicans were given to the Queen as a present and have just lived in the park. Also, one of the pelicans goes on a day-to-day trip to London Zoo to get some food and they come back. But yes, we have wild pelicans in the UK. Number 3 on the list has got to be a very, very cute one now. We're going to talk about the gorgeous wallabies. That's right, guys, there's several groups of wallabies all around the UK. These wallabies are kept in the pet trade quite a lot, and the reason that they're in the wild is because people keep releasing them, or they escape from captivity or escape from private zoos, and now they've made populations all over the UK, which is unbelievable to think, right, that these beautiful little marsupials are all over the UK at the moment, and that's due to human stupidity, letting them out, them escaping, etc. Going to number 4 on the list has got to be something you would not know is in the UK, and that is the Australian laughing kookaburra. There is 2 males in Scotland which have been released from a private collection, and they are living their life out there. There is also other females spotted around the UK. Again, these have all been released from the private pet trade or been released from zoos or got out or not. But the sad part about it, them 2 males in Scotland, they're not going to find a female because there isn't a female around there. So technically they are going to go extinct. Number 5 on the list has got to be one of Europe's most non-native parakeets in the world, and that goes to the ring-neck parakeets. There's over 12,000 breeding pairs of these parakeets in the UK, and they are a non-native parakeet or a parrot or bird or whatever you want to call it. And the UK has got the largest non-native species breeding at the moment. Absolutely crazy. If you want to see more of these top 5, 10 lists, let me know in the comments down below. Make sure you hashtag Creature Nation, guys, down there, so I know that you watched it all the way to the end. If you did like this video, please hit the subscribe button, follow, and watch one of the videos which is floating around right now, guys, and enjoy. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye for now.